I need more money. Sound familiar? You're not lazy, you're not alone. But here's the real question. Are you overspending without even knowing it? When was the last time you checked your budget? The truth is, sometimes your raise is hiding in your monthly bills. Cancel that unused subscription. Cook at home instead of ordering out every night. Downgrade the phone plan you're barely using. Small changes equal big wins. Your raise might be $300 a month hiding in plain sight. You don't need a second job. You need a second look at your habits. If you're always consuming, you'll always be chasing. Consumer mindset. Buy now, figure it out later. Producer mindset. How can this make me money? Every time you buy something, ask yourself, how does this create value? Use what you buy to earn. Flip the mindset, and you flip the outcome. Here's how to actually make more money and keep it. Audit your spending. Flip consumption into creation. Only buy after the money is made. Want new shoes? Start a side hustle. Flip something online. Or deliver food for a week. Then buy them. Guilt-free, stress-free. You don't need more money to feel rich. You need the mindset that makes money work for you. Want help creating a money plan that fits your life? Drop a money emoji in the comments if this hit home. Or hit the link in the description to book a free consult with me. Let's build your money blueprint together. Remember, success isn't about juggling everything at once. It's about automating, managing, and dominating step by step.